Driving home late when this happened.
Oh, he's about to pull me over. How much you want to bet? Oh, there we go. He's making that turn. And I'm going the speed limit, by the way. I'm actually going 200 the speed limit. How much you guys want to bet he is about to pull me over? I'm just gonna pull over because I know he's coming after me. He's actually pulling up just now. Wait for it. Look, he's about to get behind me. Oh. Oh, he's not pulling me over. Oh, we're good. Now he's making a turn. Bro, just make up your mind already. Oh, there we go. Look at him. Look at him. Let me close up my valves so he doesn't hear my loud exhaust. Look, wait for it. Wait for it. He's about to pull me over. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. I knew it.